All right, I'm gonna try to show you guys how to do this. How to pick up a log with a grapple. Um, so you got a grapple that goes up and then squeezes. So you can try to go straight ahead. Let me see if I can adjust my camera. I don't have a GoPro, so it's gonna be a little harder. Um, Let me try to set my camera up. Okay, so you can try to like push into it and then try to grapple, but it's actually harder to see. Um, this one, I think I picked it up, but I'll show you a way more effective way. So what I like to do is lift my grapple up like this and then open it up. So then as you come down, you can actually see exactly where the log is. And as you squeeze it, and then and then of course, because I'm making a video, I missed the first one and the second one, and it happens. But okay, I'm just going to focus on the grapple and not watch it through my phone. And it's the same thing with like a bigger log. And as you come over here, if you're picking up a bigger one, if you come over the top and just drop down, you could see where the log is, squeeze it, and lift it up. So yeah, that's just a little trick. If you're trying to grapple a log, it's just way easier. Like I said, yeah, you can come up to it and try to go in underneath the log and then squeeze and then lift it. But coming over the top, just visually, if you're just coming over the top, come over like this, you can see exactly where you're at, squeeze it, and there you go. Hopefully this will pick up. Hopefully this will pick up the audio from the outside. But yeah, if you come up over the top, then you can kind of visualize it going down, grapple it, and lift it up like that. And here's a secondary. Sometimes you get logs that are so heavy that the grapple won't hold. So at that point, and this is again only super heavy logs, what you'll do is you'll go over the top, you'll grapple it, and if you're lifting up and it just keeps popping open like that, what you'll do is you'll push down, and as you're going back, and just kind of roll it right into the bucket, just like that. All right. All right, that's pretty much it. That's just a little example of how to use a grapple. You can learn how to do the controllers inside yourself. I just wanted to show you the method that I use, the overhead method, as opposed to trying to go in and grapple it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. Take care and God bless.